To win an Asian under-22 gold medal at 18, that is some going. So our penultimate fight of the night, 2 at super heavyweight to finish off with. Holland, New Zealand in the red, Koshaliev, Kyrgyzstan in the blue. Steps into a lead left hand there, Koshaliev. And landed a combination there, Koshaliev. He's let 2-3 punches go and had a bit of an impact on Holler. I couldn't see perfectly because I had a large man from Kyrgyzstan in my way, but he's got nice, loose, relaxed hands on him.
Кандайча? Акча кайтарылып келет? Андан да көп интернет. Эч кандай комиссия жок? Ооба, акча кайтарылып келет. Виза карталары боюнча 2% кэшбэк. Интернет көбүрөөк болот. Ай сайын плюс 10 гигабайт. Комиссиялар болсо жөн гана жоголуп кетет. Мой О тиркемесинде О Праймды кошуп алыңыз. 90 күн бою акысыз. О Прайм күн сайын пайдалуу.
He's just creeping in, Koshaliev. And again, just leads off with that left hand and follows it with the right. Holler just trying to find a room with the right hand. He can't just allow Koshaliev just to walk in on him, which is what's happening at the minute. And again now, he's backed up to the ropes. Koshaliev just comes creeping in. And he's got good hand speed when he gets close. Trying to get a right hand away. Koshaliev came back with his own, which is sticking out the lead hand there, Holler. That right hand's ready to go, you would say, but he's not thrown it all that much into the final 25 seconds of round one. Koshaliev had some good moments early on. Since then, they've been right within punching range and they've been willing to let their hands go. There's a nice straight right hand from Holler. It's one of those fights where you feel like something massive is about to land at any second. And the most dangerous moments did come from Koshaliev. Well split, 4-1 in his favour.
Round two.
So into the second, Koshaliev, Kyrgyzstan in the blue. 4-1 up from that first round. George Holland, New Zealand in the red. An Oceanian senior champion in Holler up against a Asian under-22 champion in Koshaliev. Lead left hook landed. He springs in quick for such a big man. He's quite reactive here, Hollan. He's trying to work off what Koshaliev is doing, and honestly, he's not really offering that much. That's a good right hand there from Hollan. Took his feet in, that was the key. Shortened it up, and he got through. Koshaliev throwing from just too far out there. That's better from Hollan. Again, just comes in behind the jab. I think that straight right gave him a bit of confidence. He's maybe been a bit too wary of Koshaliev's power up until this point. But he can bang himself. You look at the size of him, look at the size of the chest and the shoulders. Little jab to the chest there from Hollan. He needs to just put in a strong finish here, Hollan. Right hand into the chest again. Nice quick feet, as I say, got close. And this has been much more like it in the second half of the round here from George Hollan. And that's the danger. The right hand came there from Koshaliev, but you have to take that risk. Middle was the best punch that was thrown during the round. Well, the answer is no, he didn't. Koshaliev gets it 10-9 on all of the cards, so he's got a healthy lead with 4 of the judges, 20 points to 18 with 4 of the judges. The other card is level.
Third and final round.
They've been quite sparing of what they've thrown, and in terms of what's got through clean, there's not been a lot at all. Left hand came back there from Koshaliev. The New Zealand corner are just encouraging Hollan just to double up on the jab, and when he throws, just to stay in there and throw again. Right hand there from Hollan. Left hook followed by the right hand. And Koshaliev just backing up a little bit here midway through the third round. He needs to go after him a bit here, Hollan. Koshaliev isn't offering very much at the minute. throws a left hand, nice loose left hand, gets through with it. But the mouth's open there for Koshaliev. And Holland's got over a minute here. This is a super heavyweight division. You land something big, it can all be over in the blink of an eye. That's what he needs. But in this division more than any other, that is a possibility. That's it. Crashes that right hand through, round the back of the guard. And then throws another right. And for me, this has kind of been a fight of two halves, really. Koshaliev won that opening round, won the first half of the second round. And since then, I think Holland has been the better fighter. He's not going to go through here. He's got no chance of going through because he was 2 points down on 4 cards heading into this final round, and I don't think he's going to do enough to win this one. 10-8, long right hand, and that lands again though. Final few seconds. Well, there goes the bell. And Koshaliev is going to go through, we know that. But when he watches this one back, I think Holland might just have a few...
And gentlemen, the decision goes in favor of your winner via unanimous decision. In the blue corner, representing Kyrgyzstan, Myrzair Koshaliev.
So 5-0, 2-1 on 2 cards, 3-0 on the other 3 cards. I don't think he's got a lot of reward there for some of the punches that he landed, George Holler. I'm not arguing with the winner, but I thought it was actually quite a close fight, that. So he goes through.